In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product catalog in Google Sheets with Claude AI. Whether you're managing a small inventory or a large-scale product list, having an organized product catalog is crucial. With the help of Claude AI, you can simplify this process and set up a functional catalog in no time. First, let's consider what information we want to include in our catalog. Generally, a product catalog consists of several key pieces of information that help you track your products effectively. Some of the essential columns you might want to include are product ID, product name, category, description, price, stock quantity, SKU, supplier, and status. Let me illustrate what this could look like. Imagine you have a product ID like P001 and it corresponds to a wireless mouse, categorized under electronics. Your description might mention that it's an ergonomic wireless mouse, priced at Rs799 with a stock quantity of 25. Additionally, you would note down the SKU as WM001, the supplier's name as ABC Supplies, and finally, market status as available. Once you've gathered all the information you want to include, it's time to get Claude AI to assist in creating the structure for you. Start by opening Claude AI and inputting a prompt. You could say something like, create a simple product catalog template for Google Sheets. Include columns for product ID, product name, category, description, price, SKU, stock quantity, supplier, product status, and notes. Make it beginner-friendly and easy to copy into Google Sheets. Please avoid using complicated formulas. Using this prompt, Claude will generate a table structure that neatly organizes the information in a way that's both easy to read and use. Now that you have the structure, the next step is to create your Google Sheet. Begin by opening Google Sheets and selecting a blank spreadsheet to start. As soon as your blank sheet opens, rename it to something relevant like Product Catalog to keep things organized. With the sheet open, it's time to bring in the data produced by Claude. Copy the template that Claude generated and paste the column headings into row 1 of your Google Sheet. These headings will act as your guide as you fill in the details of your products. Now simply add your products underneath these headings, inputting the respective details in each column. By this point, you should have a functional product catalog in Google Sheets that allows you to easily manage and oversee your inventory. This setup not only helps in maintaining organization, but also positions you to quickly make updates or changes as your product lineup evolves. That's all there is to creating a product catalog in Google Sheets with the assistance of Claude AI. It's a straightforward process that helps streamline your inventory management efforts. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.